CSS variables are fairly new to HTML and CSS and web development. It's something that's been in procedural programming that has logic for years. And by using variable names, you can create a variable name and then change something once and it will change everywhere in your program. So if we're looking at the CSS Variables site here, you can see that at the root level, which is typically where you declare your variables, they've declared the main background color, the main text color, and the main padding with 15 pixels. And then to use it, you have to declare var and then have that color. The advantage to this is that if you're making a template, you can make color changes. Even if you're just doing this for one project, you can make color changes in one place, and then as long as you're changing it up here, any place that color is named, it will be changed. So it can save a lot of time. I predominantly use variables for colors. Let's see it in action. So you can see I've created the index page for my site. And when I view the page source, I'm going to styles.css. I've got my dark primary color, light primary color, text icons, and these, I've also got fonts in here. Now I took these from the material design template, and I like doing this one. And let's see if I can find the right one. Not that one. So this is my favorite color generator because it gives you, whatever you're picking, it gives you all of these standard names. So I tend to use this one because I've got my variable names as dark primary color, light color, primary color, text, divider color, and so by using this particular generator for the palette, I'm going to get things with the same names each time, and so I can go and change the values of those variable names and change the whole look to my site dramatically at one time. So using them, you just declare that it's a variable and then use text font or accent color or dark primary color. You can see I've switched to using this throughout the site. So I'd encourage you, as you're working on this template that we're building, to start using variables and use standard names. Even if you don't use the material names, you could do things like text color, background color, button colors, stuff like that, things that are very standard, so that when you change the colors, you don't need to change the variables and everything will change throughout your page.